Okay, so here's the smartphone and I just created a photo, and from this street I see that hill. I would want to go up onto that hill, but I'm not sure where to go. Okay, so let's use Google Maps and find that hill. To do that, let's use the map program itself. It's installed onto the phone. It's in this folder. So it's Google Maps. That one, you have to install it. It wants to know my location. Okay, so the location is started. There's the sign. If you swipe down, it's there also. Okay, and let's enable the internet Wi-Fi so that it can use the map. And if I tap on this circle, then it will find my location or whatever. So I'm at that point somewhere. Okay, and on this street I see forward, I see that green hill. So let's zoom out, point it forward. Now there's a green hill in front of me somewhere. Let's use this one, that icon, and use the satellite map so that we can see the green colors more easily. So satellite, click outside. Okay, so that's the green hill where I want to go, and now let's go there by hitting the go button. Go. It detected my location, that's fine, and I want to choose the destination, that green field. So choose destination. I don't know any names, the hill does not have a special name, so I want to choose it on the map. Choose on map. Okay, now here we have this red sign. I can move the map, but that red sign is always in the center. So let's position that one somewhere there. I can zoom in if I want. So position the road under that red sign, somewhere there. And tap on OK. And it connected my point down here with that point. And in this way I can go on foot or by car. I can go on that road and reach that destination, that green field, which was visible here in this photo. And here's the start button. If I tap on the start, it will constantly detect my position and it will guide me to the destination. Okay, so that's one way how to get from one point to another using Google Maps.